Lord. So cylinders are now refreshed, new gaskets, time to rebuild these two bad boys. And I have all the official Delorto stuff right here. Here we have the two main jets. I will actually jet them up from 98 to 100. And I know it will feel lean with the stock main jets. If it still feels lean with 100 main jets, I will put 102s. So you stick these in a 14mm wrench, get a screwdriver, crack them. These just have to be snug. Some oil to oil all the O-rings. This is the pilot jet, and there is an O-ring on it, which I'm also replacing. O-ring for the float ball. New gasket for the main jet holder. It's paper, so more lubrication on it. Next is the choke lever O-ring, which in these carbs, it's not like really a choke, it's like an enrichment circuit, because when you pull this lever up, it opens like an extra channel here in the carb, which has a massive jet for how big it is. So it gets more fuel in. And there's an O-ring right here. Mixture screw next. And one thing that I found really odd, these carbs didn't have an O-ring here. I don't know if it's like that from factory. I doubt it. Is it meant to not have an O-ring? What? Because I know it's not even, like, the screw is so out, but it's already at like the end of its like available threads. Is it meant to not have an O-ring? Oh well, I have some spare O-rings. Okay, we have everything. We have fuel, we have spark, good spark, we have air going in, new air filter. I say let's go for it. So I need to manually choke both carbs. Power on from kill switch. Keep the idles fairly low. Let's go for it. Hand on the choke. Go on, let's see. You checked that it had oil in the gearbox, right? Because I didn't. Also, the clutch is a bit sticky, so hopefully it goes by itself. False neutrals. Yeah, the clutch is not cooperating. But we have tack, we have speedo. We have torque. Yo, handling is decent. I have new tires, so let's take it easy. Nice and smooth. Yes! We have a clutch! We have all 5 speeds! Let's see. Rear brake. We have rear brake. It works like a drum. Front brake. Needs new pads, but we have it. It is present. Oh, okay. Okay, old man. Okay, neutral is nice and easy to find. Okay, we are warmed up. Let's see if it has a power band. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, no power band, but nice and smooth. Okay, so it's not a crazy two-stroke, it's a cruisy two-stroke. I don't think you saw just the sheer amount of smoke that this bike made. God, I can smell it. See this haze? This bluish haze? This is me! I did that! Okay, so we have a cruisy two-stroke with decent brakes, and the handling feels decent too. Can you imagine like smoking the hell out of cyclists on this one? Nice little spot in the sun. Okay, so a good way to tell if you're in neutral or not is if the tach works. Because first doesn't work. Neutral it does. Well, damn. Let's try to not mark myself. Oh, come on, you fat fuck. It's actually pretty light. Now this bike still needs some work done. I need to figure out like the electricals, why the lights don't work with the battery. I need to get rid of this because these are probably screwing me up, like screwing my jetting up. And they will break at some point, so might as well just ditch the whole thing. And I say that's pretty much it. This rattled off. Other than that, this bike is pretty much, ready to munch some miles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't want to miss any update on the Guzzi, maybe consider subscribing, leave me a comment, something like that, so that the video gets pushed to more people. Maybe check out some of my other content, and yeah, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. I still need to raise the idle a little bit, because when it's hot, it tends to die. Or maybe it's jetting. It's definitely jetting.